High precision and high efficiency constitute the core competitiveness of CNC technology, and intelligence represents the future directions of it. The application of intelligent technologies will further enhance the machining accuracy and productivity of CNC machine tools. Aiming at reliability, durability, and user-friendliness, we develop middle and high-end CNC systems for general-purpose turning and milling machines. The turning integrates multiple advanced functions including automatic chip breaking, spindle vibration damping, tool monitoring, dual-spindle synchronization, and one-brain dual control. Meanwhile, the milling incorporates super-smooth surface interpolation, intelligent feed-forward control, adaptive quadrant jump compensation, adaptive feed control, AFC, high-efficiency hole machining, and thermal error compensation. Supported by user-friendly debugging solutions for turning and milling, these empower users to achieve higher precision, faster speed, and greater intelligence in machining.